I hate changing strings, it takes forever. And when you're playing 2 gigs every weekend with 6 different guitars, you end up changing a lot of strings. So when the guys at Guyker reached out and asked if I wanted to try their login tuners, I said yes immediately. Let's check them out. Today I'm upgrading my Tokai Love Rock with a set of Guyker login tuners. Let's dive straight into it. Ever since I got my Vola OS, which came with locking tuners, I knew I needed to install locking tuners on all my touring guitars. They've been a total lifesaver, faster string changes, way better tuning stability, and less stress when I'm out on the road. So today I'll be installing and trying a set of Guyker GK-44 locking tuners. Let's do some unboxing first. Inside the box you get 6 machine heads, 3 right, 3 left, 6 threaded bushings and 12 mounting screws. Some quick specs: the gear ratio is 15:1, the string post diameter is 6 mm and the max string gauge is 1.8 mm. First impressions, solid feel. Sealed vintage style look with trapezoid handles, super comfortable. Each tuner weighs about 30 grams according to the Guyker website. Quick disclaimer, Guyker sent me this set to review, but all the opinions you're about to hear are 100% mine. Also, about the price, I'm not even going to spoil it for you. Click the link in the description and see it for yourself. You're gonna be surprised. Alright, let's get to the fun part, installing them. Now that everything's installed, let's restring and see these locking tuners in action. No need for 3 or 4 wraps, string locked in seconds. It's a total lifesaver when you're stuck in a hotel room the night before a gig with minimal tools. Because there's no slack wrapped around the post, you get way better tuning stability, even after big bends or heavy tremolo use, and for me that's critical. Great tuning stability, they are precise and smooth. And best of all, super fast string changes. Minor con, one tuner had slightly different tuning resistance. That's it. Absolutely, they are very easy to install, they work great, and they look great also. Big thanks to Guyker for sending this over to check out. Again, no script and no paid opinions. I hope you enjoyed this, and here's a great video if you want to keep improving your playing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.